Exploring unity and humanity, under the same sun. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language and its idiomatic expressions. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and profound phrase, under the same sun. This expression is rich in meaning and symbolism, and it's used to convey messages of unity, equality, and shared experiences. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and uncover the layers behind this captivating phrase. The phrase, under the same sun, is often used to remind us that despite our differences in culture, nationality, race, or beliefs, we all share the same planet and, fundamentally, the same human condition. It's a poetic way of saying that the sun shines on everyone without discrimination, highlighting our interconnectedness and the universal aspects of the human experience. Although the exact origin of this phrase is hard to pinpoint, as it taps into a universal theme found in many cultures and philosophies, it embodies a timeless truth. It's similar to other expressions like, "We all bleed the same color," or "We're all in the same boat," which also emphasize commonality and shared destiny. This expression can be used in various contexts, from speeches and writings that aim to inspire unity and cooperation, to conversations emphasizing mutual understanding and common ground. It's particularly powerful in motivational speeches, to inspire a sense of unity and shared purpose. Educational materials, to teach about global citizenship and empathy. Personal reflections, to express a realization of common human experiences and emotions. When you use "under the same sun," you're invoking a sense of brotherhood and shared humanity, encouraging people to look beyond superficial divisions. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. Despite our differences, we live under the same sun, sharing the same hopes and dreams for a better future. The festival celebrated the diverse cultures of the world, reminding us that we all dance under the same sun. In times of global challenges, it's crucial to remember that we're all under the same sun, facing the same threats and opportunities. These examples showcase the phrase's versatility and its ability to convey a message of unity and commonality across various scenarios. Under the same sun is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful reminder of our shared humanity and the bonds that connect us all. In a world that often focuses on our differences, this expression brings a message of hope and unity, encouraging us to see beyond the divisions and recognize the fundamental similarities we share. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of this beautiful expression and inspired you to look at the world and its inhabitants with renewed empathy and connectedness. Thank you for joining us in this linguistic journey. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, we're all navigating this world under the same sun. See you in our next video.